Hey man, it's Josh Betzel. It was nice talking to you on the phone earlier today, and this is that video I was telling you about that I'm going to be showing you a couple of tips and tricks on how to grow your online presence. And you're probably wondering, well, Josh, why are you making this video for me? Well, oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local business owners are too busy to run their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to getting help from someone is they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. So I've found by giving people an easy free attack plan of actual things they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in some of those local business owners still raising their hands saying, I like what you're doing, Josh. Can you please keep doing this for me? So if by the end of this video, if you liked what you heard, you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business, shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video, you simply want to take this free attack plan I gave you to do yourself, that totally works for me too. So now let me show you the 3 things that will set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time. And the first thing I want to talk about is content. When I'm talking about content, I'm not talking about just the amount of words on your page, but what type of keywords you're using. So I see that your website is currently kind of being built right now with GoDaddy. Definitely want to add at least 1,500 words, especially on your home page, and this is the reason why. Google sends out robots. They look and crawl through content looking for keywords, but the more content you have, the more those robots crawl. So what are these keywords that I'm talking about? So I go over here to my Keywords Everywhere tool. It costs about $10 for 100,000 credits, which will get you by for a couple of months at least. But it shows me that you're not ranking for any keywords. So I go over here to your competition, which is Energy Seal Jacks. Energy Seal Jacks are your competition because when we type in spray foam insulation Jacksonville, Florida, they are ranked number 1, Energy Seal Jacksonville. Therefore, your competition. These are all the keywords they're ranking for on their website. Only 13 of them, but they're ranked pretty highly on some of the important ones like spray foam insulation Jacksonville, Florida, spray foam insulation Jacksonville, etc. So all these searches you see here, these are all people searching per month of spray foam insulation tailored to your niche and your area looking for services. They could be getting automatically directed towards Energy Seal just because they're ranked number 1. All right. The second thing I want to talk to you about was just how this first page of Google's laid out. You have your ads, which ads are good, okay, but research shows that they're semi-effective. They could be a huge money pit if they're not utilized correctly. It's very important that when people do ads, or not just to sign up for some ad account and throw some money at it. It needs to be tailored to target your designated population that you want to hit. All right. And the second thing is the map packs. So how do I get scaled in this map pack? Well, that's through citations. And I believe I found you on the second page when searching for spray foam insulated Jacksonville, Florida. Yeah. And second page ain't bad, but we don't want to just be on the first page. We want to be in the top 3 just so we can start getting those eyes when on our company already when people are viewing for those services. All right. So definitely need about 200 to 300 citations to get your company untouchable in that map pack. And currently with my citation finder by WhiteSpark, you have 17. All right. Third thing I want to talk to you about was backlinks and link juice. So what is this backlinks and link juice? Well, this link juice, it works like this. Let's say LinkedIn is pointing to your website. Therefore, LinkedIn is acting like link juice, which gives your website more authority in Google's eyes, almost like a popularity contest. But there's more to it than that. The link juice you obtain works a lot more effectively when you have relative sites linking back at you. For example, if you have a, let's use LinkedIn again, LinkedIn linking to you, that would be more effective than, let's say, Pizza Hut linking at you because, well, let's be honest, you sling spray foam insulations for a living, don't sling pizzas. All right. So this is my tool called Ahrefs. It costs me about $170 a month. But it shows me the referring domains, the backlinks, the drive of your website, the integrity of your website, and also just some organic keywords, just like the Keywords Everywhere tool. But anyways, you come up with 1 referring domains and 2 backlinks so far. Your competition, Energy Seal Jacks, they have 64 referring domains and 511 backlinks. Very beatable with time. All right, so I just want to wrap this up by going back over the 3 main things that we talked about. And the first thing was content. So definitely add a lot of content, at least 1,500 words to get those Google robots crawling, looking for those keywords. Implement your competition's keywords that are working. All right. The second thing was citations. Need about 200 of these bad boys to become untouchable in this map pack and claim that number 1 spot. All right. And the third thing was backlinks and link juice. You need more relative sites pointing at you guys to show Google you are the authority. All right. So I bet you're wondering what now? Well, you can either go with this information I provided you today and do this on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, you can give me a call at 904-383-8479. Once again, my name is Josh, and my number is 904-383-8479. I look forward to hearing from you, and have a great day.